You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model Y, long range, all electric, dual motor, all-wheel drive with 37,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded, pearl white exterior, black premium interior, all-wheel drive, autopilot, 37,000 miles. This is a 7-passenger. All-weather mats, full power options. Navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitors, smart system, Netflix and all that. Climate controlled heated steering wheel, heated seats. We've got 37,000 miles, still under full factory warranty. Heat pump, CCS enabled, premium audio, only updated charging pads, the nicer interior. It's got the updated it's got the updated interior. 7-passenger, as you can see. And those seats do fold down, so if you need the space, it does come with a charger. Nice and clean. Still under full factory warranty. We're just trading to Rivian. All with mats, no stories, like new condition. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.